वासुदेवेन्द्रयोगीन्द्रं नत्वा ज्ञानप्रदं गुरुं मुमुक्षूणां हितार्थाय तत्त्वबोधोऽभिधीयते. Page number 31. Last item. कारणशरीरं किम् अनिर्वाच्यम् अनाद्यविद्यारूपम् शरीरद्वयस्य कारणमात्रं सत्स्वरूपाज्ञानम् निर्विकल्पकरूपं यदस्ति तत्कारणशरीरम्. Shankaracharya describing what is Anatma. There are three Anatmas. First Anatma is Sthula Shariram. Anatma means non-self. In Sanskrit, Anatma, you have to translate it into English as non-self. Na Atma, Anatma. In short, which is unreal. Anatma means which is unreal. All opposite features of Atma. Opposite features of Atma. What is Atma? We are going to see later, next portion. Gross body, what we are seeing is Anatma number 1. This is not Atma. This body, what we are seeing, is not Atma. Atma is something else other than the gross body. And Sukshma Shariram is also not Atma. We have Sukshma Shariram, subtle body, but you cannot see like gross body. That subtle body you cannot see. Why you cannot see subtle body? Because it is subtle. Subtle is that which you cannot see. Sukshmam is that which you cannot see. And that subtle body has got 17 faculties that we have completed. What are those 17 faculties? 5 sense organs of knowledge. First component. Then second component, 5 sense organs of action. Karma Indriyani. Then how many? 5 plus 5? 10. Then 5 pranas. Prana, Apana, Vyana, Samana, Udana. That also we saw in the last class. 5 pranas. This is the third component of which body? Subtle body. Then Manasu, Buddhi, Rund. In Manasu, Buddhi, this put together Antahkaranam, internal instruments. Manasu, Buddhi. If you put these two, totally 17. Manasu, Buddhi, 2 more you can add subdivision, Chitta, Ahankara. If you add Chitta, Ahankara also, totally 19 faculties. All 19 faculties put together, subtle body. This is Sukshma Shariram, Anatma number 2. Now what is Anatma number 3? Anatma number 3 is that which is known as Karana Shariram, causal body. Causal body. Causal means which is the cause of this subtle body and gross body. Karanam, cause and artha. Cause for what? For this gross body and subtle body. Therefore, in gross body, causal body, this gross body and subtle body, either they are in manifest form or in potential form. Now body is manifesting. Vyakta rupena idanim asti. When this body perish, this goes into potential, unmanifest, invisible form into Karana Sariram. So the tree is in the seed in which form? In invisible form. That is called Avyakta Rupam. Invisible form. That is called Karanam. Similarly, this gross body, subtle body also in the invisible form in Karana Shariram. What is Karana Shariram means the description is given here by the author. Now look into the portion. Anirvachya Anadi Avidya Rupam. These are the definitions of Karana Shariram. Very difficult to remember, to understand also. Number one is Anirvacham. Karana Shariram is that which is Anirvacham. What do you mean by Anirvacham? Indescribable, undefinable. That which you cannot explain or describe very easily is called Anirvacham. Number two, Anadi means beginningless. That which is beginningless. Avidya. Avidya means ignorance. Beginningless, indefinable, and ignorance. Anadi Avidya Rupam. Rupa means is of the nature of. Its nature is this. Rupam anna nature. This is the first explanation of Karana Shariram, which cannot be explained, which cannot be described easily, and which is beginningless, Anadi, which is Avidya, it is of the nature of ignorance. Then what? Sharira Dvayasya Karana Matram, which is the cause. Karana Matram means which is the cause of Sharira Dvayam. Cause, gross body and subtle body. They manifest from this causal body. Shariradvayasya karanamatram. Next, Satsvarupa Ajnanam. Ignorance of one's own nature, in which there is an ignorance of my own nature. Satsvarupa Ajnanam. Ignorance of one's own nature. Satsvarupam anna one's own anartham. Ajnana means ignorance. Next, Nirvikalpaka Rupam. Nirvikalpaka Rupam means, Vikalpam means that which can be grasped distinctively. Vikalpana, difference you can easily know. Nirvikalpakam means you cannot know its distinct nature. Just as in the seed, you cannot see the branch, you cannot see the leaves, you cannot see the fruit, you cannot see the flower distinctly. But they are all there in potential form. So, indistinctive way, anartha. In undifferentiated manner, anartha. In undifferentiated manner. That is called Nirvikalpaka Rupam. Vikalpa Rahitam anartham. Nirvikalpaka Rupam. Yat asti, that whatever exists. That whatever is exists as a basic matter, anartham. Basic matter means in energy form. According to science also, you cannot create matter, new matter. Matter alone converted into energy, energy alone converted into matter. Matter in unmanifest form is energy. Energy in motion is called matter. Energy in motion is called matter. So it is like energy. When I speak, you hear my sound. When I don't speak, my speaking power is in what form? In unmanifest form, in Karana form. When I speak, it is in manifest form. Like that, the whole Karana Sariram is in unmanifest form. Tat Karana Sariram. That alone is called Karana Sariram. Or Karana Avastha. Avastha means a nilai, a state. Vyakta Avastha, Avyakta Avastha. Vyakta means visible, manifest form. Avyakta means invisible, unmanifest form. In deep sleep, we are all going to our Karana Avastha. Best example is our deep sleep state. In our deep sleep, all these two bodies, gross body and subtle body, where are they? You cannot say they are not there. But in deep sleep, do we know about our gross body? No. Do we know about our mind, subtle body? No. But you cannot say they are not there. They are there, but you are not able to know in distinct manner. Vikalpaka rupena na asti. So subtle body and gross body are in which way? They are in a nirvikalpaka rupam, unmanifest form. Not only that, in deep sleep, you are in ignorance or not. You are not aware of your gross body. You are not aware of your subtle body. You are not aware of you are male or female also, you do not know. Ignorance is there or not? Ignorance of what it is there, and ignorance of everything. I do not know anything. So ignorance also is there in deep sleep. So you are in which avastha that time? Na Karana avastha. In which shariram you are in? Karana shariram. Then when you wake up, what shariram comes? Sthula shariram and Sukshma shariram both comes out. From where? From Karana shariram. If they are not there, they cannot come. In Karana shariram, they are not available in deep sleep state. So every day we are going to our Karana shariram. Whether you like it or not. Every day, every one of us. No, Swamini, I don't go to Karana shariram. Because every one of us are experiencing nirvikalpaka rupam, avidya, ignorance. All these we are experiencing. Then next comes this sthula, sukshma, karana shariram, three anatmas over. Now avasthatrayam kim. From there we will read. Here avidya means ignorance, we say. Avidya means another technical term is English la basic matter in artha. Basic matter. Avasthatrayam kim? Jagrat swapna Sushuktyaवस्थाः जागृतावस्था काम श्रोत्रादि ज्ञानेन्द्रियैः शब्दादि विषया ज्ञायन्ते इति यस्सा जागृतावस्था स्थूल शरीराभिमानी आत्मा विश्वः इत्युच्यते. Three types of bodies are considered as anatma, non-self. Even three avasthas are also not come under atma. Three avasthas. Avastha means a state, nilayina. They are called Jagrat Avastha, Swapna Avastha and Sushupti Avastha. When the student is asking, what is Atma Anatma Vivekana? Atma Satyam Tadanyat Sarvam Mithya. Then Guru said, Shariratraya Vilakshanaha Yadasti Tat Atma. Avasthatraya Vilakshanaha Yadasti Tad Atma. Then Avasthatrayam enna. What is Avasthatrayam? Trayam anna three. Avasthana state. Jagrat, waking state. Jagrat means waking state. You are in which state now? Waking state, Jagrat Avastha. Tamil சொல்லுவான் ஜாகிரதையா இருன்னா, அந்த ஜாகிரதையா இல்லை, என்ன தூங்காதே ஜாகிரதையா இருன்னா. The jagratana careful there. When a person is careful in the dream or sleep, person can be careful only in waking state. That is why it is called Jagrat Avastha. Waking state. We are all in waking state. What is that waking state also he is going to explain. Okay. Then next state every one of us get in the night, sometimes daytime also. Okay, dream state. Swapna means dream. Dream state. Many of us, we remember our dreams. Some dreams we don't remember at all. But we get dreams. Okay, Swapna Avastha. Then Sushupti Avastha, third state. Sleep state. Every one of us go to sleep every day. That is called Sushupti Avastha. These three avasthas we are undergoing. What happens in waking state? How can you call this is waking state? How can you call that is a dream state? How can you call that is another state is a sleep state? On what basis you are differentiating these three states? On what basis? If these sense organs are all functioning, it is called waking state. That's what he says. Jagradavastha ka. What do you mean by waking state? Student is asking. What do you mean by waking state? Shrotradi jnanendriyaihi. Guru is answering. Shrotradi jnanendriyaihi shabdadi vishayaha jnayante iti. When a person knows, jnayante means gets the knowledge. Jnayante means he knows or she knows. What? Shabdadi vishayaha. Shabda means sound. The object of sound. Vishayaha means objects. Adipadat, Shabda sound and forms, seeing the forms, smell and taste and touch. Adipadat, Shabda sparsha rupa rasa. Show how you listen, how you see, how you taste, how you hear. Because of these sense organs. Shrotradi jnanendriyaihi. By the ear, etc., sense organs of knowledge. Shrotra means ear. Interacting or interaction taking place between sense organs, Shrotram and sound. Shrotram anna ear, sound anna sound, Shabdam anna sound. So you have to write corresponding action. Shrotram, Shabdam. Eyes na chakshuhu. Then what? Forms. Rupam. Chakshuhu, Rupam. Then rasana, what? Taste. Rasana. శబ్దాది జ్ఞానేంద్రియై టేస్ట్ రసనేంద్రియం అన్నాడు. రసనేంద్రియం జిహ్వా అని అర్థం. జిహ్వేంద్రియం రసన. జిహ్వ అన్న శబ్ద స్పర్శ రూప రస గంధ విత్ కరస్పాండింగ్ టు ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. శ్రోత్ర చక్షుర్ దెన్ ఘ్రాణం జిహ్వ జిహ్వేంద్రియం. శ్రోత్ర చక్షు, what is that name? Exact name? Shrotrendriyam, Chakshurindriyam, Rasanendriyam. Rasanendriyam the Jivha ani kuda solluvom, Rasanendriyam. So then comes that Ghrana Indriyam, then Tvagindriyam. So all these sense organs know their corresponding sense objects. Shabda Rupa Rasa Gandha. Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha. पंचज्ञानेन्द्रियैः शब्दादि विषयाः ज्ञायन्ते. So now in the class what sense organs both are functioning mainly? Shrotrendriyam and Chakshurindriyam. You are hearing the sound and you are looking at the notebook and textbook and me, the teacher, and of course Karmendriyam also functioning. If you are writing a notebook, Karmendriyam Pani also functioning. This is called Yat Sa Jagradavastha. This is called Jagradavastha. Sthula Sharira Abhimani. Next, when I am in waking state, I am identifying with what body? Sthula Shariram, gross body. When I am writing and I am identifying with my hand. When I am listening, I am identifying with my ears. When I am seeing, I am identifying with my eyes. This is called Sthula Sharira Abhimanam is there. Adile fan kaathu varada illaya koncham abhimanam irukkillayo. So this abhimana is there. Okay, passi illa varadilla adi kuda abhimanam da illa abhimanam varum. Abhimanam anna identification an artham. Sthula Sharira Abhimani. At that time when I am in Jagrata Avastha, I the Atma, I am Atma identifying with the gross body. I the Atma get a new name. What is my new name? Vishwaha. Vishwam Janati iti Vishwaha. I know the entire universe in Jagrata Avastha. Therefore my name is called Vishwaha. I the Atma is known as Vishwaha when I identify myself with gross body. In which avastha I identify with gross body? Jagrata Avastha. In Jagrata Avastha, I the Atma self identify with the gross body and I know the Vishwam, the universe, objects and all. Therefore my name is called Vishwaha. Now what am I? My name is what? Vishwaha. I am Vishwaha. Why na? I am in Jagrata Avastha. So what na? Because I am knowing the Vishwam. Vishwam world. Since I am knowing the world, my name is called Vishwaha temporarily. Okay? Next avastha is what? Swapna avastha. So to know, to understand, to grasp, you have to be in Jagrata Avastha. To know about Swapna Avastha, you have to go to Swapna Avastha? No. Thank God. You don't go to Swapna Avastha. You have to understand about Swapna in which Avastha? In Jagrata Avastha. You want to talk about dream state, in which state you can talk? In waking state. Waker can talk about dreamer. Dreamer can talk about dreamer. Dreamer cannot talk about dreamer. So dreamer can be talked about. I got the dream. The so and so dream I got. No, who can talk? A waker or dreamer? Waker. After waking up only you can talk. So Jagrata Avasthayam alone, Waker alone in Jagrata Avastha. In waking state, the waker alone can talk about Swapna. So now you have to study about Swapna in which state? In waking state only. Swamini, we have to study about Swapna, no? Now let us go to Swapna. Okay. Now we will read that portion. Swapnavastha keti chet Jagradavasthayam Yadrishtam Yadshrutam Tajjanita vasanayam Nidra samaye Yah prapanchaha Pratiyate Sa swapnavastha Sukshma sharirabhimani Atma taijasa ityuchyate. Now, see, there is no much difference between Shariratraya analysis and Avasthatraya analysis. In waking state, Sthula Shariram is active. In dream state, Swapnavastha, subtle body is active. So, the levels, standpoint only different. So, in Jagradavastha, gross body is active. Sthula Sharira Abhimanam is there. In Swapnavastha, what Abhimana can be there? Sukshma Sharira Abhimanam. So, if you ask Swapnavastha ka iti chet, if you ask about the state, that what is the dream state, then I will tell you, whatever is seen in the waking state, Jagradavasthayam, Yat drishtam, whatever is seen, Yat shrutam, whatever is heard, Tat janita vasanaya, and that what you have registered. Janita vasanaya, that what we have registered, they come out. Nidra samaye yaha prapanchaha pratiyate. Pratiyate means appears. What appears? A world appears in front of you. That which appears. When nidra samaye, at the time of sleep. At the time of sleep, whatever I know, what I know, na? Janita vasana. Na? Janita means born. Vasana means imprints. Imprints that which are born. How they are born? Based on what I saw, what I heard, what I have received at the time of waking. That alone, that imprints alone comes out. What is the ideal condition? Nidra. When you are going to sleep only, they all comes out. Like VCP and VCR. I mean, VCR is that video cassette recorder. When TV is on, you record. VCR. Then you want to replay it. VCP. You replay it. Isn't it? You replay it what you have recorded. Whatever you have recorded only you can replay. So VCR is like what avastha? Swapna avastha. Video cassette player. VCP. VCR is like Jagrada Avastha. Video cassette recorder. Now what you are doing? You are recording. Through your mind you are recording VCR. When you go to sleep, Swamini, yesterday night you came in my sleep. Or today night I may come in your sleep. I hope so. If I come in your sleep, how I come? Whatever you have received in Jagrada Avastha, you have registered, you have recorded. Now it is called VCR. Of course, Tattva Bodha lesson comes in your dream. Tappi tavari. Vanda santosham. Tattva Bodha lesson come in your mind. That mind or a lesson in the dream, that which you have received where? In which avastha? Jagrada avastha. In waking state only you have received. So, yad Jagrada avasthayam Tattva Bodha class. Okay. Yad drishtam yashrutam. I saw Swamini, I heard Tattva Bodha. So, Swamini is coming and taking Tattva Bodha class. Kanavalo kuda undi Swamini edukkanam class. You know, whatever I have received, either today or last week or a few years before also, whatever I have received, recorded in my mind, that's Jagrada Avasthayam yad drishtam, yad shrutam, tad janita vasane. The corresponding object only comes in the dream. Nidra samaye. Of course, you have to go to Nidra first. Ideal condition. And the Nidra samaye. Yat prapanchaha pratiyate. That world which appears. What world appears? In a dream world appears. What world appears? In a dream world. Now what world is appearing here now? Waking world. Waker see dream world or waker world? Waking world only waker see. Dream world seen by dream world. Dreamer. Dreamer sees the dream world. The prapanchaha. It is called a dream world. Sa swapna avastha. That is called swapna avastha. Dream state. Then what abhimana I have, which body abhimana I have got in dream state? Sukshma sharira abhimanam. Who is active? Mind alone is active. Mind belongs to Sukshma Shariram or Sthula Shariram? Sukshma Shariram. Since mind projecting its own thoughts out in dream state, so what abhimana can I have? Because I do not know my gross body. I have forgotten my gross body. I remember only what in there? Sukshma Shariram. Therefore, Sukshma Sharira Abhimani. As a dreamer, I am Sukshma Sharira Abhimani. Dreamer have identification with the dream body. Waker can have identification with waker's body. Sukshma Sharira Abhimani Atma, I the self. That time my name is called Taijasaha. Iti Uchyate. It's known as Taijasa. Even Purva Janma Vasanas are also will come. Sometimes we complain always, these dreams and all. Inna Swamini, no pudusa or the dreams na paakave illa and the porilla. I have not seen that person, but how they can come in my dream? You have not seen now in this Janma. You might have seen in the previous Janma. They are all there in code form. They are all in data form. File computer file form, data form. In capsule form they are there. They come out. Anytime they come out. Punya prarabdha Punya Vasana will come, manifest. Papa prarabdha nightmare, kastamana or bhayankaramana swapna varum. And sometimes those who don't like that, dreams all come. And next day, and the all irkana illaya nu paru verify panni enakku enna kanavula vandadana. But nama kanavula vanda aalella out anna, suppose in the dream lo we saw him as though papa edo nadandadi, bad news anna. So you cannot say that person died anna. It comes just like that. சில பேருக்கு இது ஒரு பெரிய பயம். நான் அவர் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு போன மாதிரி ஆக்சிடென்ட் ஆன மாதிரி கனவு வந்தேன்னா நீங்கள் நெக்ஸ்ட் டே டெம்பிளுக்கு போய் நான் அங்கே பிரதர்ஷனம் பண்ணிட்டு வருவான். என்னன்னா கெட்ட கனவு எல்லாம் வந்தது பயப்படுவான். ஸோ தேர் ஆர் சம் தாட்ஸ் without connection, jumbled, all thoughts are jumbled in the mind. அன்றைக்கி ஒன்றுக்கு ஒன்றுக்கு கனெக்ஷன் இல்லாமலே ஹியூமன் பாடி ஹார்ஸ் ஃபேஸு எங்கே வந்துடும் ட்ரீமில். So the dreams are like very, very funny dreams, all their dismantled thoughts and join in their havoc manner, haphazard way. In a haphazard way they come and join together and confuse us. That's why some people walk in the dream also. Because of that dream makes the person even to walk also. That is called somnambulism anu solluva. Somnambulism is walking in the dream. Dream walker. Hey, you are walking in the dream. I don't know, I didn't walk at all. Some people get up also. Some people get up and drink water and they sleep. Hey, yesterday you woke up and you drank water. No, I never done that. What happened? Anything can happen. In class itself it can happen. Okay. Okay. Taijasa ityuchyate. Now 2 names I got. Vishwaha and Taijasaha. Class puriyalana above head anna adi kuda vandudum. Swapnavastha, sushupti avastha ella inge vandudum. These are all just like that. No, it happens. Then next avastha. Atha sushuptyavasthakam aham kimapi na janami sukhena maya nidranubhuyate iti sushuptyavastha. Nidranubhuyata is there. It is not printing mistake. Ekara is sandhi rule. Because of sandhi rule it is dropped. When you are reading, you can read nidranubhuyate iti sushupti avastha. Sushupti avastha means sleep state. They say in a dream also, reliving in Jagrada avastha is called swapna avastha. Reliving in our own Jagrada avastha is called swapna avastha. You relive in your Jagrada avastha. Whatever you have seen, you remember them. All they come out without your plan. You don't plan today night and let me get this type of dream. Let me get this type of dream. You cannot. Just it happens. Whatever you have registered. Now what about Sushupti avastha, sleep state? In that, aham kimapi na janami. I do not know anything. Na janami means I do not know. I do not know what? Kimapi. I do not know anything. Kimapi. Sukham anubhavam va or dukkha anubhavam va. I do not know. I forget all my pains also in the sleep. Of course, I forget all my pleasures also. Whatever sukham, whatever dukkham, suppose you have entered into a new house, griha pravesam, that day only you have done, and a nice house, you are very happy with that house. But when you are sleeping, do you remember that house? That sukha, what you have got out of griha pravesham, do you have that in your mind when you are sleeping? No, sukham is not there. And that past house, that what you have left that house, there are a lot of bitter experiences in that house. Do you remember all those bitter experiences in the sleep? Therefore, kimapi na janami. Even my mother-in-law, while waking up, all problems I remember. When I go to sleep nicely, I don't remember my mother-in-law problem. All problems when you wake up only. Okay, when we sleep, that's why people are happy to go to sleep. Ange kuda ella gnapakam irundana, nobody like to go to sleep. That's why without any information, informing to anybody, அப்படியே அசத்தல் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கும். அந்த தூக்கத்தில் அப்பா நல்லா தூங்கிட்டப்பா, மனசு நிம்மதியாக இருக்குண்ணா. தட்ஸ் வை பீப்புள் சே ஐ எம் ஃப்ரெஷ்ண்ணா. Why? What is freshness? And because I have forgotten all burdens from my mind at that time. அப்படி இருந்தது நல்லா இருக்கும் சுவாமினி. தூக்கம் கூட சரியாக வரதில்லை, அது பெரிய பாபம். ஓகே, சில பேருக்கு தூக்கம் வந்தால் எல்லாம் மறந்துடலாம், தூக்கமே வரமாட்டேங்கிறது சுவாமி. கஷ்டப்பட்டு வேலை பண்ணால் தானே தூக்கம் வரதுக்கு. பீப்புள் ஆர் நாட் கெட்டிங் ஸ்லீப் நவேடேஸ். வாட் இஸ் த ரீசன்? என்ன, மேக்ஸிமம் பீப்புள் ஆர் நாட் டூயிங் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க். வெரி செடென்ட்ரி லைஃப். தெர் இஸ் நோ ஹார்ட் ஒர்க். ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் இருந்தால் தானே நல்ல மை மறந்து தூங்கிடலாம். வேலையை பண்ணலன்னா தூக்கம் எப்படி வரும்னு. அண்டு தட் சீயிங் தட் சீரியல்ஸ் நைட்டு தூங்கும் போது அது எந்த சீரியல்ஸு ஒரே கத்தல். அதில் அந்த சீரியலை பார்த்ததுக்கப்புறம் என்ன தான் தூக்கம் வரும்? எல்லாம் நைட்டு மாரி வரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் நேரம் எப்போது தூக்கம் வரும் கரெக்டாக. திஸ் இஸ் அ ப்ராப்ளம். தேர்ஃபோர் வி ஹாவ் டு full day, if you enjoy a calm and relaxed mind, nice sleep will come. If you do hard work, you will get nice sleep. That's why you see hard working people, they don't take sleeping pills. அவருக்கு ஸ்லீப்பிங் பில்ஸ் என்னன்னே தெரியாது. You see the brick lorry, a person is lorry carrying all bricks, full of bricks, and on the top that person is sleeping in the hot sun. You go and interview, what sleeping tablets you are taking? And no sleeping tablets. அது என்னன்னு கேட்பான். ஸ்லீப்பிங் டேப்லெட் என்னென்ன, இவ்வளோ நல்லா தூங்குறேன், அண்ணா ஸ்னோரிங் ஆல்சோ. Yesterday I saw a lorry full of wood, lot of bamboos, and upon that one person, a worker, is sleeping nicely. The people who are sitting in the AC car, suffocation. என்ன மனசில் ஒரு suffocation. Body, mind, there is lot of turmoil going on. They are very happy with simple life. Simple life illa poverty. This person who is working hard, they need not worry about future. Presently enna irukane aanandama iruppa. Therefore the sleep to get, people are doing a lot of rathams, lot of consultations, lot of medicines, and lot of money they are spending. And அந்த ஸ்லீப் நம்ம கொஞ்சம் கொடுக்கக்கூடாதோ, அப்படிலாம் கொடுக்க முடியாது. ஸோ ஹீ இஸ் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் வரி. என்ன, திஸ் பர்சன் இஸ் இன் ஸ்பைட் ஆஃப் ஏசி ரூம் வித் ஆல் கம்ஃபர்ட், கம்ஃபர்டபிளி அன்ஹாப்பி. இஸ் அன்கம்ஃபர்டபிளி ஹாப்பி. ஸோ யுவர் கம்ஃபர்ட்ஸ் கேனாட் கேரண்டி த ஹாப்பினஸ். அப்படி தானே அர்த்தம். கம்ஃபர்டபிளி அன்ஹாப்பி ரிச் பர்சன். Poor person is uncomfortably happy. Now you want happiness or unhappiness? You want happiness or comfort? Happiness only. If you want happiness only, there is no connection between your comforts and happiness. Free idalaya. But what we think, Swamini, if we are comfort only, we are happiness. No. இது பெரிய லாஜிக் எல்லாம் சொல்லிக் கொடுப்போம் நம்ம குழந்தைங்களுக்கு. நீ நல்லா படிக்கணும், நல்லா சம்பாதிக்கணும், then only you can be comfortable. So what na? Then only you can be happy. This is what we teach to our children. You have to study well, and you have to earn money, and you have to be comfortable. Amma, edukkamma? And then you can be happy. He is most unhappiest person after going to office. இந்த கம்ஃபர்ட்டே இருக்காது. Many people who are working in the office with full of tension, stress, full of worry, insecurity. Therefore, they are not happy. Therefore, what to teach to children? If you earn more money, you can be happy. And sollakudadu. If you work hard, you can be happy. How? You can sleep happily. And sollanum. That is the comfort. இப்படி சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும். இப்படி சொல்ல மாட்டோம் நம்ம குழந்தைங்களுக்கு. நல்லா மேலே வரணும், மேலே வரணும், மேலே வரணும். எதுக்காக? தூங்காமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காக. தூங்காமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காக நீங்கள் மேலே வரணும். என்ன பையன் போய் அங்கே போய் பாவங்க எங்கேயோ வேலை பண்ணி தூக்கம் இல்லாமலே டேப்லெட்ஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு, நாட் கிவிங் ஹாப்பினஸ் டு வைஃப் ஆர் சில்ட்ரன். அஃப்கோர்ஸ் அவங்களுக்கே ஹாப்பினஸ் கொடுக்கலன்னு அம்மாவுக்கு என்ன கொடுக்க போகிறான்? அதனால் சில்ட்ரனுக்கு என்ன சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கணும்னா, ஒர்க் ஹார்ட், ஒர்க் ஹார்ட், follow dharma. Sleep automatically comes, comfort will come. You can buy the bed, but you cannot buy the sleep. They say, no, you can buy a bed, not bread. Of course, you can buy a bread, but you cannot buy hunger. You cannot buy sleep. No? Ada. So, aham kimapi na janami. I do not know anything. So, comfortably, this person is unhappy, that person is happy, uncomfortably. Sukhena maya nidra anubhuyate. Sukhena, with so comfort, happily. Maya, by me, nidra anubhuyate. Nidra is experienced. Sleep is experienced by me. In sleep, there is no dukkha at all. Therefore, I have experienced dukkha in the sleep, and nobody says. No one says, I have experienced dukkha in my sleep. Everyone has to say, I slept well. Therefore, nidra anubhuyate sukhena maya. With so joy and comfort, I slept well. Then, iti sushupti avastha. That is called sushupti avastha. Therefore, what is my name? What Sharira Abhimani name? Myself. Karana Sharira Abhimani. Atma Prajna ityuchyate. At the time of sleep, I am identifying with my causal body. How do you know? Because I don't remember my gross body. I don't remember my subtle body. That means when these two bodies' awareness is absent, I must be there. நான் இருக்கணும். அப்போ எந்த பாடியில் இருக்கணும்? என்ன கிராஸ் பாடி ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர், சட்டில் பாடி ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர், ஐ ஆம் தேர். வாட் இஸ் லெஃப்ட் அவுட்னு? காரண சரீரம். ஸோ காரண சரீர அபிமானி. ஐ ஆம் ஐடென்டிஃபையிங் வித் காசல் பாடி. மை நேம் இஸ் கால்ட் பிராஜ்ஞா. Prajna iti uchyate. Next portion we will read. Panchakoshaha ke annamaya pranamaya manomaya vijnanamaya Anandamayascheti. When the teacher was talking about Atma, Shariratraya Vilakshanam Atma. Other than three bodies, whatever is there, that is Atma. And Avasthatraya Sakshi, the witnesser of three avasthas. Sakshi means a witnesser. I witness my sleep state. I, the Atma, witness the sleep state. I experience the sleep state. Therefore, you enjoy the sleep. After waking up, you say, I slept well. I slept well. Not only that, you further continue the statement, I do not know anything. I did not know anything in my sleep. You make that statement. I have experienced a nice sleep yesterday. I do not know anything. When you recollect that, in which state? In waking state you recollect. You recollect in waking state. In that sleep state, whatever you have received, and the Karana Avastha, waker, dreamer and sleeper. One person is experiencing all the three states. Dreamer, waker, dreamer and sleeper. In these three words, ER is common. ER is common. Waker. dreamer, sleeper. என்ன ஸ்லீப்பர்? நாட் கோச்சில், ரயில்வே கோச்சில் ஸ்லீப்பர் இல்லை. ஸ்லீப்பர், ஐ ஆம் த ஸ்லீப்பர், ஐ ஆம் த வேக்கர், ஐ ஆம் த ட்ரீமர். I experienced my waking state as waker. I experienced my dream state as dreamer. I experienced my sleep state as sleeper. So this I is common. The experiencer is common. The experiencer is called Sakshi, witnesser, observer. You are the observer of the class or not? You are experiencer of the class. You are observer of the class, witnesser of the class, experiencer of the class. In which state? Waking state. As what? Waker. Waker in waking state is experiencer or observer or witnesser or sakshi of waking state experiences. So dreamer is the witnesser, observer, experiencer or sakshi of waking dreamer state, dream state. Who is that experiencing dream? Myself. I am only experiencing the dream. I have experienced the dream as a dreamer. Naane da. Okay, waking state lonu naane da. Dream state, my dream experienced by me or somebody. Myself only. I myself only experience my dream. My sleep also? You say I slept well and அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கோபம் வரும். நீங்கள் நல்லா தூங்கிட்டேன், பட் ஐ couldn't sleep at all yesterday. That's why your sleep create jealousy in others also. Because they don't get jealousy. They don't get sleep. That's why they are jealous of others' sleep. That's why they will make some sound and all. Even wake up பண்ணணும் எப்படியாவது, தூங்க விட மாட்டான். Some people are very much annoyed if anybody is sleeping. That's why old people always, they don't get sleep in the house. They wake up the youngsters. Hey, wake up. Why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping? And that person sleep 8 hours. Even 8 minutes கூட sleep வராது. எப்படி? And the body age is different, and the body age is different. So the sleeper, waker, and dreamer is the same person or not? Who is that person? Myself. I am only experiencing the waking state. I am only the dreamer. I am only the sleeper. So there is no difference in that. Experiencerல difference கிடையாது, பட் ஸ்டேட்டில் difference இருக்கு. பாடி அவேர்னஸில் கூட difference இருக்கு. இப்போ அந்த 3 பாடிஸ்னு we are going to divide into 5 koshas. 3 bodies are going to be divided into 5 koshas. First, physical body is going to be divided as one part, one Annamaya Kosham. And subtle body only divided into 3 bodies, 3 koshas. One Sukshma Sariram, based on its functions, functional division and cholalam. Subtle body is divided into 3 koshas based on its functions, functional division. We'll read now. Panchakoshaha kem Annamayaha Pranamayaha Manomayaha Vijnanamayaha Anandamayastheti. So what are those 5 koshas? You are all very familiar. In yoga students also know. All old students also know. Vedanta students. Annamayaha. Annamaya kosha number 1. Physical body. Number 2. Pranamaya kosha. Vital body. Physiological system. Vital body or physiological system. Number 3, Manomayaha, mental body. Mental body enna thappa nenichikadungo. Mental body, a body that which is, the mind is predominant. Emotions are predominant. Manomaya koshaha. Then 4th one is Vijnanamaya koshaha. Vijnanamaya koshaha, intellectual body. Fifth one is Anandamaya Koshaha. Translation is Anandamaya Koshaha. No translation, happiness or bliss and all vinda. Anandamaya Koshaha, Anandamaya Kosha. Annamaya Kaha. Annarasenaiva bhutvam. Annarasenaiva vriddhim prapya. Annarupa prithivyaam. Yadviliyate. Tadannamaya koshaha. Sthula shariram. Sthula Shariram is called Annamaya Koshaha. Whose Sthula Shariram? My Sthula Shariram. Therefore, my Annamaya Kosha is my Sthula Shariram. Why this Sthula Shariram is called Annamaya Koshaha? Because there must be a reason to call this gross body as a physical body. It's all made up of physics. All chemicals, chemistry and biochemistry. This is called biochemistry. Annarasenaiva bhutva. Annarasam. Annarasam anna chapati rasam, dosha rasam, idli rasam, fruit rasam. All food stuffs are converted into rasam, juice. Food goes inside, that food is converted into liquid form. That liquid form, nutritions, carbohydrates merge into the blood, and through that blood the body grow into as bones, as flesh, as skin, and so many parts of your body it is converted. Annarasenaiva bhutva. Annarasenaiva vriddhim prapya. You grow. Amma vayatla irukkumbodhu, how you grow? You cannot eat food directly. Through the umbilical cord only you take the food. Mother sends the food through the umbilical cord to the baby. So you are made up of annarasam. Father has taken food. That food is converted into retas, and that retas is dropped into mother's womb, and mother's womb it formed as a fetus. And that fetus, next it is fed by whom? Amma. Mother has to take double. For baby's sake and for mother's sake, both. That's why that she has to feed the baby through her food only. Once you come out, you should not ask Amma, Amma give food. You have to eat. Then you grow. Vriddhim prapya. When baby comes out, external food we supply. Vriddhim prapya. Annarasena eva vriddhim prapya. Then once the person perish, body perish, where it goes? Annarupa prithivyam yat viliyate. This Annamaya Kosha will merge into again Prithvi. It is made up of Annam. Where from we get? From earth. All vegetables, fruits, grains, all we get from earth. And that fruits, vegetables and all we eat. Because of that only we get the body. And this body has to go to again back to that earth. Came out of earth and it has to go to earth. So it will go to earth again. So the body is not yours. Clear that? It has come from earth. It has to go into earth. Mannil pirandan. Mannil again merge into that. Ada panchabhuta vadal. Tad annamaya koshaha. That body is called panchakoshala. Annamaya koshaha. Kosha means layer or sheath in artham. All the sheaths are covered one by one. Physical body, Annamaya Kosha. Ada Sthula Shariram in artham. Sthula Shariram, otherwise known as Annamaya Koshaha. Then Sushma Shariram is going to be called as Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, based on their functions. One Sushma Shariram, 3 Koshangal. Appo 3 body, 5 Koshas. 5 koshas. All comes under what, Anna? Anatma. That means not Atma. That is different Atma. Okay, more in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.